Madam Munyansi, Nana Chum. Nana Chum Berma, man, Casamba, a bear me yan san mako, Fisemi Bonuma, a chatu. Nana Chum na a bra ye me operation. A bra ye me spine operation, Nipapi nim. The only man says, me, my warren, Akusha Sewa, and now mammy a draw, mammy would there be. Akusha Sewa, oh, yes, I dear no. A year me spine, me more, and a year no operation. Mammy champon, and a me call hospital. Am I a year me operation? Sata me every year no, Nana Chum, a begin a name, Etria, a Hokanina.
Dike Nana, sin and I'm peddling my dance for. Charles Kojo Fosu is at me mufu. My sons and Indian can Dimitri Betraso. And so Berman a wood, no brain on yan, what it. Ah, Alanzana Jima, Dada Video City, Chelsea, you did send Pabediche. Obamiko, Mesa, Obamiko. Ah, many I met me be a member, Swanamico. Anquanume, Wanume. Anquanuma, member, Swanamico. Ebusian for Enra a year 26 and a year 26 of July and Yentie ye papa yadi ye legend Charles Kojo Fosu nyan baby ko sabi onyanfie edusia 60 years and I say na wo yare ho dodo kakra dodo no ma sabi mo de ne kwoto yare sabia e ko hwe ne kakra ne ja yesi wo kurade a nkwantumi nje wo ye den a sabi da asebo nipa bra ye bre nyina ye bra mo wo wi bo nyum mo se bra ye bre nyina ye bra mo wo ti sanete tina ye Daddy Lumba onyan baby ko to na mo nsie do aka nkyere gu ama sabi anadofo no mo twa gyajo anu tin hwebe
and papa na my friends are yanko. Yani no na didi wa yanko. Che. Asa mo ma yanko. Mo baby no the points am mo. O nyame ni pa ben no not o nyame ni pa so man na para no. So ma ya no achira ye. Wo se ko mo chi keep your not. Papa na me sharo. We are in the kid. He said the station not a bit. It's no, that be Papa, that be say, Yamidia, our coach, and Yamini, any part of Sanidia, out of my call. No, baby, see, I mean, you have done another. Soon I broke on your phone. Come with you, you know. Yeah, clinic. You know, hey, they don't have got hair. Also, the boat you go. Why they do that? They don't want to go. They do something. Why? Hey, Daddy. Yeah, they're fighting no. Fighting no, yeah, but oh, we are
someone when it adofo mu twa gyajo no na wotene se wa me ye mu nyina era ho kono mo ben mo papa no mo ben pa ya nsem si areho yengo ngote Charles Kojo Fosu ne mo nsem bia na wote ase no na ode ka kire adofo ne adofo nyina ne na ase a wode ma Ghana fo ne wona eboa no abrabo nim se mra wo yare ye ya na adofo nyina nim se nyere na poison no be na nye poison no yenko nkotie bi mra an ono no mutu wo se nyere yere poison no yere sebe kosia se wanti mi poison no an eye na chi kase na ye ne ya onya spinal cord na coin operation nti enye poison ne poison no yenyina se na munyim obi anim se poison be na nye poison jebu so yenko nkotie eye Daddy Lumba ne mu se bebra
nyuma eba no ye ankwano Kojo Fosu me de me kra abo aforiye me ye de metumi Se memra no so a Kojo na magya ho. Nana Chum, Honorable Esla Owusu. Oh, madam, you both are sorry. Mama Champon, me dear. Mama Champon at Timmy, free grabbing. I'm in there, me madru say. Now, young woman in focus here. Now, Mama, yes, you will feel that. Yamin Shroud. Miss Romo Fons and Buckets here, Mama Champon, and Sanamako. Mama a champon. What an extra me a Greek. Now, say a year me teacher phoning in Abbey, Mama. Said you Kojo Fosu me was school no. Now I'm so Busama Becachero. Me di first, cause he said me school. And the Miami master, a Miami teacher, and you know, say be a me chantra, no more Busano. Now so, and I'm a ready. Now, choir or woman minty. O ma me de no timi tu baby e ma nne majai brofonoka ama masante no a me totwene ye 40 years ago no afi ni masa ba me kuro mu a me hwehwe etimi de nyame asema ma champon meda so na mada wase o show ni aticha fo nyina na mo wodwabe me remfi Obiaa meda mu nyina se nana chum berma man kasem ba ko a ebe me yansa na makọ fise mi bonyoma etwato Nana Chum na Ebra ye me operation. Ebra ye me spine operation. Ni papi nim. The only man say me yira me ma ware no akosia se wa e na ma me adro ma me wu dabi. Akosia se wa onye sa ade no. Eye me spine me mo ene ye no operation. Ma me champon ene de me call hospital ho. E ma ye me operation. Sata me ye no Nana Chum ebegina na nem etua eho kanyina etinem sema na wase na twumu ne wabusuafo ye meka se nyame nhira mu memfa mu ase da nida me sofo osofo pani me invite you last one was stage na ye wia me papa we so abompa ya mama ono na ne mpa bo last year odi hira me ena ekuta me besi this year ye bo mo last song o say o say enyuma eba no o say mo mo hwa enyum be na me mama mo enyum be ya you see ebinum kra dwene see me
all be lie
enyuma eba no ye akwano ma Kojo Fosu me de me kra abo aforiye me yedie metumi se memra no so a Kojo na magya ho
dike na ne yansi na na pedu ni madanse fo Charles Kojo ni o izi atimi mufuo aya sansani de enkam Dimitri betwa so enso be ma na ewu na bre no nya na wate alanzana jima dada video city chance eju di fise ni pa be di chedio obamiko mesa obamiko me ni ametumi bia me bre so na miko ankwanu me wanu me ankwanu ma me bre so na miko report to asante mem report to Ghana kumu nyina legend ya de nyina Daddy Lumba what is more kind sa odase ona eboa no se ewiase saa di we nyo one clear kura na bikwa na ma adwum ye mesese bi o ne yire na yire akoso ase wa ono na sabi wo ye sa because yet tin mframa mu se sabi o ne yire na poison no se wote ya se obo sa mi se dem meduro se mi ni wa menwo se dem meduro se mi ni wa menwo enti dede bebrebe wona hunu zibia ko Charles Kojo Fosu mi da ne mado wona hunu bibia dede bebrebe sa nyum na oboy no sa tam no obi anim se dodo na ni padodo na nim se sabio ya poison because yin anti yes ya poison Daddy Lumba ya poison Daddy Lumba be nyame ti asen gwanwu but wasene ntesa eye seven spinal cord nya problem nkoye no surgery nkoye no operation on a chi kase what I say nti na ntesa asane a yɛte from mom say Daddy Lumba ne yere a poison no ne yere ayi say amma je say tizi bi oda kora nye ene yɛte nye say wo kan yɛte yere no no kwa me TV timi ne hye mitrim say sebe ne yere na a poison no but enye sa video mi hu ya wo kase enye ne yere na poison na me hu da so nti abusua ne ho nsɛm ne kotie bae na emra ye nua ba sewa me ya sewa obene pa sewa me ya ben yi pa obene pa Daddy Lumba obene pa na emra no breaki news na tom from mu no asefem hwe kakra bi bra
So,
you know,
yeah,
I spoke with Daddy Lumba this week. Last week too, I spoke with him.
last week too, yeah.
And he spoke with my dad,
Yeah.
you know. And we have a lot of things that we have to do. Last year, actually, this year, February, we had a show.
Yeah.
And we were supposed to have that same show in December, on the 28th of December.
Okay.
And even beyond that,
Yeah.
you know, he asked me to come and eat fufu at home. If I knew that he wasn't going to be here this weekend,
You'd have
I'd
joined.
have come that same day.
Yeah, that
you
he
know?
asked you to come.
Yeah. But, you know, if we are feeling this way, I can only imagine. But this morning, you and I were being to the family. I am just praying for strength for his wife and his children.
Exactly.
His wife especially.
I know.
I can't imagine what she's going through, you know, but I pray for God's strength for her and every other person who is closely associated with Daddy Lumba. And in fact, for all of us who loved him, both far and near, it's going to be tough.
Very.
But we are hopeful, you know, and we're praying for strength. I think also that we should use the period to celebrate him, you know, celebrate the good music that he gave us in the last 40 years.
Exactly.
And celebrate his life. I do not like that we are going to have to celebrate him at such a time, but for some of us, we have consistently celebrated him while he's alive. And that's the case for many Ghanaians as well. I will not even be in denial or say that they haven't. But let's cry, but let's not cry too much. Let's pray.
Exactly.
Na onchiche busianire, especially ne yire ne nembano. Like I said earlier, ne lawyer no, from the statements that we have released, which is signed by the lawyer.
Exactly.
Hadia Fati.
Yeah.
They want us to respect the privacy of the family at this crucial time. And to everyone who supported Daddy Lumba, both far and near, every day when I go on TikTok, I see videos of people singing to Daddy Lumba's songs, and I show him how his songs from many years ago have just climbed up the charts.
Exactly.
And we always have these conversations. These songs, Nana, you know, but I hear the songs and they still feel like they were just made yesterday. It's a very difficult time, but you know, we are very hopeful and we are praying to God for strength.
We are praying to God for strength coming from Sewa Mehe. Seni munim seni etieno yugusu ay maya ho sheden e kasa fidie so say uti news na is really confirmed now. Same to kind ebusuya and then a lawyer a day omonsa ashase enuntina ye de and kaiboy kasi ebremo say that Lumba odaya wan sorote ya and no cresa or doubt because enye ne first time say what yes here enuntino say no the first time they are na odauted ya with it and no true say that Lumba odaya one sorry nyakopon koswa emfa ne kra insi ye say you see kano he needs to be celebrated. He needs to be celebrated, well celebrated. So I said, what do you say? Ni 61st moon okwe 61 years muna kanyame aduma 29th the Lumba first I'm nim penny for Cassa or no nim. Yeah. You knew me a recabio at your four, and you have former hay.
I'm quite mammy, they make crab for dear. Many I met me be a breast on a micro. I'm quite me, one me. I'm quite me breast on a microati. When he papa did papa praying to Miss Miani, I met me be a breast on a microati. I'm quite me, one me. I'm quite me breast on a micro. Oh, for a cool. I say, Alan Charles Kojo Fosu, I love video city. Charles said you did so ni pa be you. Obami kro, mesa obami kro. Ah, yeni amet mi bia memre so na mi ko. Oh, Charles Kojo Fosu. Erade for currency ye wati. Erade for currency. Why be ma Ghana? Why be ma wiase nyina? Why be ma sebi asante memu so? Why be? Ai, why be pa ma Ghana? Erade for currency. Erade for currency pa. Abusuafo ye papa ya de nyina ye bra ye legend bibia ye Charles Kojo Fosu a dodo na afa no Daddy Lumba sebi na da ya wan sore ai na da ya wan sore na ko ne kreachi obo nyum wei na enyum no tie enyum no mu nsem a enyum ne kasa enyum ne ka asem a utimu say yes enyum ne kasa.
The second verse no o si DK nyakwa yiase em se nipa bebre tia o mo se yi ke nyakwa no Daniel DK nyakwa yiase na nampadu ene madasofo onyomtofo kese a Ghana ha mimisha na mitini dia mehunyam nyina apopo na nampadu na yiase na nampadu ne madansofo amanfo ba besu edi bonidin nti ama media tume hofo se wiase metre wiase na maye osansane dia ene anka media metri betwa so efu se wiase be ma na wu na obre so na onya ene efro be ma obre na onya ene ye Charles Jima asante jama sini edishia ahofefo a obesi so de Ghana Video City by Charles Jima Ghana Video City Charles Jordan usinipa medichebi oba miguso meko amesa oba meko na so meye ni ametumi bia memra no so a na maja oko ankwano de me kra maba fore kojo meye ni ametumi bia memra no so a na makra medamo ase Ghana ma medamo ase be fans amu wi ase nyina medamo ase mo a montie menyom ko a montie ase nanso still model so di echi nyamisham na muhu donte no enkosi se Kojo Fosu Ewurade be freme no menka ma no ntumuda nyamisham bye bye.
Emra Daddy Lumba ehye nyum to ase enye ne o hye nyum to ase a chiyi pa hye to ase a chiyi bi kwa na me kwa ne ye wo me to ate ase na besre ye de me ma de sre de ne se besre abusua no hye efi anka o timu no ye ni me se Daddy Lumba etetete ntade o de perfect mo ye o de bo show wa bo timemu ne Ghana ha na obi wo hono nkan no betime yi dan ben mienu bi dia ye bizium e dia abuma ye Daddy Lumba ke be boa pa because papa no wa ye bia ma Ghana o de Ghana duro chiri nti no ke be boa se ka o be ye saa de no yi dan ben mienu two respect bi no dia ye bizium ma chese wo ye ko Daddy Lumba ne ho ne ma bia na wo tie ase na wo yisu the perfect mo ye what you say nanka aboa na ahye ne din animonyam so what you say na ahye ne din no se de be ne din enwira mfiri system ni mo yin se ne nyum wo tie ase ne da ne nyum de so ketrema mpro ɛnwom de so te ase nkofo bi ti ho mɛkaa ne de bet sela na se ne bɛyɛ ne tam bia no bituma generate bi di ama abusua ne mpo wate ase me nkɔ yɛ te sɛ ɛna yɛ Daddy Lumba wu ne kyerɛ asɛm na we yi si we pewi abusua na yi si obi tumi wu ayi da se bedwamena yiru da se bedwamena wu ye ya ntense ne bebrebe ti yɛ se ne yire ne makɔyɛ pam mfirifie o se bebrebe nyete so nti no bɛsrɛ abusua no ade si yɛ asie ne de nke bɛsrɛ sɛ mo so mo mfa mo na asi fom na mo nye bibi emfa nhyɛ abusua we nya aban asɛm because sɛ music afo no ɛwɔ bi fo no bɛyɛ anko ma yɛ dadadada nya aban asɛm nti nka ɔno ara busua na nkasa nye bibi emfa enkae no nkae dum bi mfa nhyɛ ne fie sɛ dan mi bi ne mission ne nneɛma bi ɔpɛ from the old abon cassette nya bi ene mrantie bi awo nkola bi aba hu nim cassette mpo hu nim nyina na nka ɔma besua na ɔma ba hɔ besua bi o Daddy Lumba ɔne bɔ nyu wei ɔne bo Aben Wo Ha anyuma de ama mi be so amenti saa nyum nyina Daddy Lumba na obi wo nim kro bɔ yɛ mpo so ati ase nti bɛboa na apagya yɛ mi yɛ bra no papa ya de nyina edin no so aka de so aka wiase ma abusua nyina ya akɔ ma abusua nyina ya akɔ na yere ne mba ma mu nyina ahyɛ den wɔn ɛbɛn na adwumayɛfoɔ nyina ma mu nyina ahyɛ den on kafra wiase de ɛse nipa ɔbrɛ ne nyina ba bre nyina ɛkyire asɛm yɛ wuwo woyɛ den ade asɛ wɔbɛkɔ bi no bɛkyerɛ bɔ wɔ asase so na kwan bɛfa so bɛkɔ ne ya na ne asɛm sɛ yɛ bra ya de nyɛ legend bibia Daddy Lumba Charles Kojo Fosu nyɛ ne bi kɔ a yɛ sra busua ne nyina asɛm mu nyina yɛ akɔ yɛ mma na yɛ yere no nyina yɛ ma mu nyina yɛ akɔ so TV fo ahwɛfo nyina asɛ yɛ ma mo yɛ akɔ yɛ ma mo hyɛ den so mo kafra
me men Lumba me bisa asɛm bi
bomode na bisa ne mam na me so
I salute na me do wo ka bibi enam bempa na eri ni dom peka ho
anaka minimo ba me ma me na di free jom buy o se e frɛ no mayo kase
mo ba so beto sa anyum na na am I ready mo send you Lumba call me take over.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Your Excellency the former President of the Republic of Ghana, Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings, I greet you. Your Excellency former President Kojo, I greet you. Your Excellency the former First Lady of the Republic of Ghana, I greet you. DL, Daddy Lumba, Charles Kojo Fosu, greetings. I do not want to bore you with a lengthy speech today. Today is a night of fun, a night of glitz, a night of party, a night of merrymaking. The Musicians Union of Ghana is proud to be here tonight. We are really, really proud of Charles Kojo Fosu, a living legend, and we are extremely glad that today is a special day that is going into the books of history, that is going into Ghana history, music, chronicles. Today is a night, and it's so special not only because we are honoring a musician, but we are honoring a musician in the presence of dignified people, in the presence of nation builders, in the presence of entrepreneurs, business leaders, in the presence of a beautiful audience like yourself. And I think you all deserve a round of applause. I would plead with all of you for us to give Daddy Lumba a standing ovation. Thank you. On behalf of the Musicians Union of Ghana, which I represent as the president, we want to present to Daddy Lumba on this night this wonderful citation. And please, I read. The Musicians Union of Ghana is the national union of musicians in Ghana with over 4,500 members, incorporated in 9th December 1975. You were born Charles Kojo Fosu. From the early days when you were part of the Lumba Brothers singing group, through to when you became known as Daddy Lumba and later DL. Year after year, decade after decade, you have held Ghanaians and music lovers from all other parts of the world spellbound with the songs that are fine standards and raises eyebrows. you have continued to mentor and impact rare music skills into people who have turned out as celebrated musicians, and this is one of your loudest legacies, which would forever be engraved in gold when the music history of Ghana is chronicled. Charles K. Fosu, you are a living testimony that the contemporary Ghanaian musician is not just an entertainer, but an entrepreneur, a social commentator, an employer, and a critical investor whose works are renewable intellectual property that can reap great dividends. Charles Kojo Fosu, you are a musician worth celebrating, an institution worth learning from, an inspiration worth ovation. You have made musicians proud. You have made Ghana proud. The Musicians Union of Ghana is proud of you, and this is a token of our respect to you. This day, Saturday, November 12th, we confer on you this honor as the prodigy of contemporary highlife music. Congratulations, Daddy Lumba.
There are many Daddy Lumba songs I like, virtually all. My favorite is Aben Wo Ha, and I hope he'll perform it tonight.
His Excellency Flight Lieutenant Jerry Rawlings, His Excellency John Ajakum Kufuor, we'd like to thank you very much for joining us to celebrate Daddy Lumba at a very short notice. We invited you just about 3 days back, but you made it because you felt it was worth it, and we are grateful for your coming here. Now, Daddy Lumba, what you don't know is tonight is your night, and apart from everything, your mother, Mrs. Achampo, is in the building. Mrs. Achampo, where are you? For being a faithful legend with 27 unparalleled albums, okay? Imagine advertising. We are presenting you with a gold medal, 24-karat gold medal, worth over $20,000 US, and your own mother, Mama Ichampo, with the help of the Director for Central and Western Africa of Voice of America, Dr. Joy Singo, are going to do the presentation to you. So Daddy Lumba, it's your time to come for your medal for being a living legend.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mama Echampo. About 30 years ago, I taught Charles in Jabin Secondary School. I'm just saying something brief because he mentioned my name on Adom FM when he was being interviewed, and that's why I said I was traveling tonight, but I decided to stop and come and meet him. Nepamochel, Jabin Secondary School, Ashanti, and Hona Charles Echo School. Na Mesremu Bebre, Emra Charles Owie School no, and I Mr. Charles. Now Oya chorister school choir. They had the Lumba brothers and a sister. The Lumba brothers were 4 young men, and then the sister was Theresa Abebrese. And when he finished school, he was so brilliant and very sportive, so I wanted him to continue, but Charles came with the mother and he was pleading, Mama Champion, please, I want to go to Germany. I said, for what, George? Why don't you stay? So Charles, and here we are. Here we are. And I'm so proud. I feel really proud because this boy came from a very modest home. And here he is. I'm so happy to be a teacher of Charles. Thank you so much, Charles.
Don't you love this? Don't you just love this?
Lumba says thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, shall we applaud Lumba again and again and again?
Now you know what's coming.
Tell me.
Meaning Serama Bedua Otunyumbi was it Metiansi Menya dear me be one of my family kente. But this time he's living and your family kente Mumansa Mano.
Abusia eye ye course kakra wo Charles Kojo Fosu aso ye ene ye ebesom mo no. Onyamfie adusia 60 years na ena unyaye wo asase so. Te abusia kakra de besom. Ye lidi akire beto fom bia na wo twere na bia na ba besom mo. Ama mo so mo ye ko bia wo so tiri me so. Abusia me am di dwuma di wo chefe ko Alaska. Di gbesia da se beto so pia.
So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you to those who are about to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and share and like the videos that I give you.